Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we have another brand new collection from Colourpop and Disney. This time, this is their Disney Designer Midnight Masquerade collection. Before we move on, as you're watching this video, this collection is now available on their website. I have a discount code for you. Feel free to use it. Now let's go ahead and unbox this Disney Designer Midnight Masquerade collection. So the packaging is very magical. It's very Disney. On the sides, you will see here all the Disney princesses that's included in this collection. And when you open the box, you will get inside 8 bundles and 1 eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure about the prices, but I will list them down below on my description box. Before I dig in to these 8 bundles, I'm going to show you first this Midnight Masquerade eyeshadow palette, which I used to create this makeup look. So let's go ahead and begin with the tutorial. For this eyeshadow look, I did use 4 shades on this palette. I used Peep for my transition shade. I used New Dream to deepen up my crease. I used Gaston for my outer V. And on my inner part, on my lids, I used the shade Floating Lantern. Just a little bit of advice, if you're going to use the Floating Lanterns and Royal Ball in these shades, just make sure to do your eyeshadow first before doing your base, because there's gonna be a lot of fallouts. Also, since this is glitter, there's a tendency that a chunks of glitters will go inside your eyes, so it might ruin your makeup. All in all, I love this eyeshadow palette. The mattes blends like a dream. The metallic, you really don't have to wet your brush to get the pigmentation. Just the pressed pigments, it has a lot of fallouts. Let's move on with the 8 bundles, and let's start off with A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes. This is the Cinderella Bundle. This Cinderella Bundle includes a highlighter, and this is a pearl highlighter, and this is the one I'm wearing on my cheeks right now, and a Lux Liquid Lip, which is a new formula from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Prince Charming. Next is Zero to Hero, and this is the Megara Bundle. This Megara set includes a lavender highlighter. This is how it looks like, and a Megara Signature Berry Lip. Next is Once Upon a Time, and this is the Aurora Bundle. This is the Coronation Press Powder Highlighter, and this is a peach highlighter. And this bundle has the Signature Red Lip of Aurora. Next is the Topsy Turvy, and this is Esmeralda Bundle. So this Esmeralda Bundle has a powder blush in the shade Court of Miracles. It has a coral shade, and it also includes Esmeralda Signature Raspberry Lip. Next, we have here Beauty and the Beast. This is the Belle Bundle. This Belle Bundle includes a powder blush in the shade Enchanted Mirror. And this has a warm pink shade, and it also includes Belle's signature pinky nude lip. Next is the Ever Ever After Bundle, or the Giselle Bundle. I'm not sure if you have watched the movie Enchanted, but it is one of my favorite Disney movies. This bundle includes a pressed powder highlighter in the shade Andalasia. It has a peach shade, and it also includes Giselle's signature coral lip. Next is Down in New Orleans, or the Tiana Bundle. This bundle includes a pressed powder blush in the shade Kissing a Frog. This has a terracotta shade, and it also includes Tiana's signature red lip. And last but not the least is I See the Light. This is the Rapunzel Bundle. In this bundle, you will get a pressed powder blush in the shade Floating Lights, which has a pink shade. And you will also get Rapunzel's signature rose lip. My favorite bundle is this Beauty and the Beast Belle Bundle. It includes a pressed powder blush in the shade Enchanted Mirror and a Lux Liquid Lip in the shade Beast, which I'm wearing right now. By the way, the Lux Liquid Lip formula, it has a velvety finish and it's somewhat similar to the Ultra Blotted Lip, but it's a little bit moisturizing on the lip compared to that formula. So that is it for my Disney Designer Midnight Masquerade collection video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video.